Hello students and welcome to today's lesson. Today's topic is on cyberbullying. This is an important topic that is a global concern for teachers, educators, parents and students. Now, digital technology for today's students and for future generations involves communication via various social media applications, for example, Facebook and Instagram. Now, communicating via digital means allows people to interact with each other without having to be face-to-face. Now, as instantaneous and efficient as this form of communicating may be, there are dangerous disadvantages that involve bullying and shaming others. So some of you may be wondering what cyberbullying is, and some of you may have already been a victim. Now, cyberbullying is intentionally humiliating, shaming, or embarrassing somebody online. Now, this may involve slanderous name-calling, sharing inappropriate images, constantly attacking a person online, or catfishing. So that is a term that is used when you are impersonating somebody else online. Now, this lesson is targeted at educating students on cyberbullying, and please understand that this form of bullying does happen to adults as well. So you may have read of celebrities who suffer from negative attention online and have had mental breakdowns as a result. So no matter what age you are, cyberbullying can lead to distress, depression, affect mental health, and in some cases worse scenarios than that. Now, that is why young students of today need to be educated on not only what the positive aspects of social media use, but also the negatives. So whilst running through this lesson, I encourage you to not only understand what cyberbullying is, but to think of how you can help others and protect yourself as well. Empathy is something each of us can demonstrate and should demonstrate, and this can help against cyberbullying. Now, please take the time to look at the information provided on what you could do if you become a victim, and read the steps that you can take to not be a bystander, but be an upstander and stick up for those who are being bullied. For those of you who need someone to talk to, please take a look at the last slide, as this has links to professionals who can help. Thank you.